rolling on his teeth. Is that Badger? Whoa!
Badger's like, okay.
He sits on him.
Bless you. Pushing.
He's back for more.
His little face is so wrinkled. He's like,
Mm-hmm. He says, you trying to nurse on him? He's like, oh, I will lick your face. Lick, lick, lick.
I don't know why I have to be in all the play. You guys are weird. You make out. You gonna get him? Go get him, Badge.
He's trying to throw him off the couch.
Situation is grim, sir. Still no sign of the first Minifer? Should I send in Team Z? Are you mad, Bob? We'll be all out of alphabet.
What is he doing?
He's self-crippling so that he plays fair.
And now he's folded in half.
Someone who I
Why don't you go over there and play?
recently hit rock bottom and will now
Do
do.
you watch it?
Where are we gonna find someone so desperate?
It's just teeth, like just little flying teeth, upside down. Oh,
Oh.
Holy Badger!
Griffin's having a great time jumping on him. He's like, you're so fuzzy. I love it. I'll roll on you.
Are we suffocating Badger? He's such a little ball.
Oh, what happened to you? Everyone
Look
gets
at those mouths.
humiliated on national television.
Yeah, but not everyone gets humiliated in front of their childhood hero. I'll never be a real better actor's eyes.
Why don't you go get him? Why don't you get up and get him?
He says, no, if I get up, I'm going to have to body slam.
Yeah, if he gets up, he'll run over him.
No, I guess I won't.
He's like stuck upside down like a turtle.
You can still make the world a better place without an orange box.
I don't get it. Is it winter on your
Where's
nose?
Badger's head? Oh, there it
It's
is.
in between the pillows.
For what it's worth, the people who really care about you think you look great on the lap. Good night, Mr. Rockland.
You guys are ridiculous.
Look, son, this, just a big guy.
Badger's allergic to you.
Sounds like a whore.
It does.
You guys should know it. Oh, so
He sat on his head. Look, now Griffin's head's in there. They're going to wrestle inside the pillows.
Are we killing Griffin right now? He's like, I'm just practicing.
You're way too old to be doing that kind of work. I'm only 49.
You guys are ridiculous.
And let's see, Papillons are hiding over here.
Not involved in the play.
Not
at all.
involved at all. Where's Willow?
She just went back there.
Yeah, I
Oh,
thought
she
she
just
was.
came out.
Oh, there
She's
she
there.
is. There's Comet.
Very important
And little Willow.
with you. Sister V wants to see
Hello.
me.
And Comet. And the two crazy boys.
Badger's about to fall off the
Yeah, he is.
Sister V, sir.
Oh my goodness.
What is this? They're like, okay, it's sleep time.
I've ever seen.
Badger's face.
My holograms and I were having
Griffin's like, okay, I got the head off. Now let's get the back end off. Let's throw him off.